Ever since you came into my life, you have been my happiness. Oh, my sweet kitty, you're my comfort. Now you can watch the birds from here. Such a good companion. You're the best friend I could ever have. I feel so weak. Stay close, kitty. There you are.
What is it, boy?
Grandma's rushed to the hospital. The van's here.
My brave little hero. A cat is not just a pet. Sometimes they are the family that saves your life.